Hello friends, today we are exploring two powerful tools in Python that change the flow of loops, the break statement and the continue statements. These are essential for controlling loop execution beyond the basic loop setup. Let's learn how to use them to make our loops more efficient and dynamic. So let's start with the break statement. It determines the loop entirely and proceeds to the code that follows the loop body. It's particularly useful when you are searching for a specific item or condition and want to stop the loop once it is found. In this loop, we print numbers from 1 to 10. However, the loop breaks when the number reaches 5. Notice that numbers 5 through 9 are not printed because the break statement stops the loop prematurely. Now let's look at the continue statement. Unlike break, continue doesn't terminate the loop. Instead, it skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration only. The loop does not stop running but simply jumps to the next iteration. Here we use to skip even numbers. The loop prints only odd numbers because whenever it encounters an even number, it skips the print statement and continues with the next iteration. Now let's see the practical application of both statements in a complex example. In this example, we loop through a list of names. We break the loop if we find Jill and continue to the next iteration for names that don't start with J. Notice how the loop handles different conditions to manage execution flow efficiently. Using break and continue wisely allows you to control your loops with precision, making your Python scripts faster and more responsive to different conditions. However, use them sparingly to keep your code clean and understandable. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Python programming tips. Have any questions or need further clarification on Python loops? Drop your comments below and happy coding!